prepared to be gobsmacked at this absolutely spectacular sight. For me though, the walk isn't starting at the Dove Lake car park, it's starting here at the start of the overland track at Ronny Creek, and I'm going to go up to Brewery Knob, and I'm going to go via Hounslow Heath and probably back via the Maryland track to make a circuit where I can start and finish here. I've made it to Waldheim Chalet. A lot of history about this place, and this is also where I start heading up towards Hounslow Heath. There are fagus leaves everywhere on the ground at the moment, but I have to watch my step because it's rooty, it's slippery, it's wet, and patches of snow starting to appear. How incredible is that view? I actually don't know where the track is. I've sort of just wandered off it. Actually, there's a marker way up there, so I guess if I make a beeline for that, then I'll be back on, but I don't think there's any risk of getting lost at the time for the time being. Quite a number of frozen tarns starting to make an appearance. That's Brewery Knob up there, which is a little bit further away than I thought, and yeah, it's been a bit slow going in the snow because you don't know how far you're going to sink. Those tarns also mark the point where you start heading down back to the Maryland track, so you have to go off track to Brewery Knob, which is proving hard to do because the snow is proving very troublesome and the novelty's wearing off a bit, so it's a bit challenging and draining. Made it to the top of Brewery Knob, summit rock can, but the last few hundred metres was more of a stagger than a walk. Couldn't get into any rhythm. Views though, fantastic. Look at Barn Bluff, have a look at that. And then you pan around to Cradle Mountain. There's another incredible mountain. Over there is Mount Campbell and probably Columnar Bluff in the background. You've got Western Bluff in that direction. You've got Mount Roland and Mount Kate. Then that's over towards Black Bluff, which has been looking pretty incredible as well. The Spearler Plains. And then you've got Mount Beecroft and St Valentine's Peak. I'm not sure that is at Recondite Knob. Not 100% sure. And then that'll be over towards the West Coast Ranges. And is that Eldon Bluff over there? Not 100% sure again. And there's a bit of low cloud about. Then you're back around to Mount Inglis. And then Barn Bluff again. Top-notch views. I'll see you back down on the Maryland track. Pandania, the world's tallest heath, and there's plenty of it in this field here. And I'll tell you what they're reminding me of. They're reminding of those truffula trees from the Lorax. You know, that kids book? It's pretty incredible. Not much longer now. Well, my camera has decided to say low battery and it's not going to film anymore, which is a bit annoying because I still had another walk I wanted to do. But I'm on the final stretch to Ronny Creek, and it's been a fantastic walk on this glorious winter's day. You know, I had snow, mud, ice, combo of mud and ice, everything, and all sorts of track conditions as well. I really love this walk. See you next video.